Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I'm KANTHARAJ from NAGAR branch. So today we're going to teach you how to create the simple puzzle game in PowerPoint. So in the last class we taught you about the part 1. In the part 1 I was teach you about how to insert those slides and how to type this welcome to the puzzle game and inserting the actions. So when click on the start, hyperlink to the next slide. So when I click on the exit, actions, hyperlink to the end show. The show will be ended. And here you lost. Play again. Actions. When I click this, hyperlink to the previous slide. The game is in the second slide. Exit is nothing but an end show. Hyperlink to the end show. So third one, if you won the game, you can exit directly. By the actions, you can select the end show. Play again, you can select it. Hyperlink to the slide number 2. Slide number 2. So this was taught in the previous class. So now concentrate about the second slide. So in the second slide, insert one shape. Insert the shapes, the basic shapes as the square or a rectangle. So insert the shape, first shape, second shape, third shapes. 3 shapes has been inserted and one more shape is inserted, and add some text here. Right click, add text. You can add the text. Click here to win. And insert the basic shapes. You can see the stars and banners. Here you get a 4-point star. Insert the stars and apply the animation to the stars. Animations, add animation, choose the effect as spin. Choose the effect as spin. The same animation should be applied for all this 4 stars. So first apply only for the first star. In the animation pane, select the first star, go to the advanced options, effect options. In the effect options, go for the timings. So duration until next click. Set it as duration until next click. And you can set it as the speed, medium, slow, very slow, as you require. So when I play it, it will be played. The same you can just copy paste for all the stars. Just copy paste, paste. So you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So one after the another the animation will be played. So select continuously all the stars. Click here with previous. Then play it. So all the stars will play at a time. You can see all the stars will play at a time. So if at the time of playing the game, if the cursor just touches to the star, then it is considered as you lost the game. So while rotating the star, without touching to the star, the cursor has to be taken in between and move here and click upon here. Then you will win the game. So click here to win the game. Animations, insert, actions, hyperlink to the last slide. The last slide is nothing but you won. So if I touch the star, if the cursor is touched to the star, then it is considered as you lost the game. So touch the cursor, insert actions. In the actions, instead of mouse click, choose mouse over, hyperlink to the next slide. Next slide is you lost. And the same option has to be set for all the stars. Mouse over, hyperlink to the next slide. Insert actions, mouse over, hyperlink to the next slide. Insert actions, mouse over, hyperlink to the next slide. Insert actions, hyperlink to the mouse over, hyperlink to the next slide. So at the time of slideshow, so if I click on the game, start, the game will be started. So if I just touch the cursor, you lost the game. Play again. So without touching the cursor, I had to move without touching this 4-point star, I had to move this cursor, and the cursor has to be placed here. Then if I click there, I get U1. Again play again. If it is touched, you lost, you can exit the game. So this is how we're going to create the simple puzzle game in PowerPoint. This is a part 2. Thank you for watching.